Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Apple just released macOS Ventura and today we are going to see how we can install it on our MacBook. And make sure before you install it on your MacBook, save your files in a disk or hard drive because it's a beta version and it has some risk maybe. That's why you need to save your files in a drive. So let's see how we can do that.
Go to the Safari in Google macOS beta profile. Just type it and enter. In this section, in this website beta.apple.com, just click on it and log in with Apple ID. As you see, here we have the options of iOS, iPadOS, macOS, tvOS, watchOS, and HomePod software. Just click on macOS. Then here it will show you something like installing and getting backup of your files before you install it on your machine. Here in the section 2, just click on download the macOS public beta access utility, and it will give you the download file. After downloading that, just double click on it, and in this package just double click. As you see, it says no time machine backup rejected. Just click first OK and continue, say agree and say install to ask your password. Install software, feedback as just close it and close it. Move to bin. It says update not found, just click OK. And here, as you can see, macOS Ventura 13 beta 5, and just click on upgrade now and to ask you to agree. Yeah, agree on the password of MacBook. And it's downloading now the macOS Ventura. Now my Mac version is macOS Monterey, the most latest version 12.6. It's an Apple M1 Pro, and it's based on your internet connection how long it takes to download, but I will skip the video. As you see, it is 11.97 GB. It's a big file. Just wait for it to download. And as you see, the macOS Ventura is installed, and it says allow X3 to connect, allow WhatsApp, close, just close, feedback, USB. macOS Ventura is installed, and when you go here about this Mac, as you see, this is Ventura 13, and the display is something different. Let's click on more info. It looks like an iPad or iPhone setting. Really cool. And let's see the update. Do we have any update or not? Just type and search software update. Yep. And it's checking for the updates. It has to be the latest version, and our macOS is up to date. Let's close. Let's see, we have something like Stage Manager, and we can use our iPhone as a webcam, and I will make a video that how can we use our iPhone as a webcam on every app like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and FaceTime. And let's see what we can do with the Stage Manager. Turn on Stage Manager and it's turned on. Let's open, for example, Safari, and as you see, it appears here. Let's open like maps. Yeah, it's pretty cool, like toggling between apps. Yeah, it's all.
Thank you for watching the video. As you see, it's a simple way to install macOS Ventura beta version on your MacBook.